Today, we're going to delve into one of the most powerful concepts that will revolutionize your understanding of money, Robert Kiyosaki's Cashflow Quadrant. Get ready to unravel the secrets of wealth and master your finances like never before. Would you like to know how to move from being an employee to an investor? Then stick with me and discover the path to true financial freedom. Before we dive into the Cashflow Quadrant, let me briefly explain who Robert Kiyosaki is. He's a visionary, a man who has changed the way millions of people think about money and finances. Are you ready to learn from one of the best? The Cashflow Quadrant. What exactly is this quadrant and why is it so important for your financial success? Let me explain it to you in a simple and clear way. The Cashflow Quadrant is a concept created by Robert Kiyosaki that divides people into 4 categories based on their primary source of income: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. This concept is revolutionary because it challenges the way most people think about work and money. By understanding which quadrant you currently find yourself in and how you can move towards the business owner and investor quadrants, you can achieve true financial freedom. In which quadrant do you currently find yourself, and where would you like to move? Imagine 2 friends, Carlos and Maria. Carlos works as an employee in a company, and Maria owns her own real estate business. Although both make money, their mindsets and lifestyles are very different because of the quadrant they're in. Reflect on your skills, passions, and financial goals. Which quadrant do you think will provide you with the greatest freedom and financial satisfaction? Make a plan to move there and start taking action today. Now, let's talk about each quadrant in detail and how you can make the most of your skills and resources to move towards financial freedom. Let's start with Quadrant E, Employee. Have you ever wondered why most people are stuck in this quadrant? The security of a fixed salary can be tempting, but is it really the best option in the long run? Employees exchange time for money and rely on a fixed salary to survive. They often lack control over their income and are subject to the whims of the job market. Being an employee can provide stability and benefits, but it can also limit your income potential and your freedom. If you want to achieve true financial independence, it's crucial to explore other options beyond this quadrant. Do you feel satisfied with your situation as an employee, or do you want to explore other opportunities to increase your income and freedom? Imagine Juan, a dedicated employee who works long hours for his company. Although he earns a decent salary, he feels trapped in the routine and longs for more freedom and control over his financial life. If you find yourself in Quadrant E and crave more financial freedom, consider exploring opportunities to diversify your sources of income, such as starting a side business or investing in assets that generate passive income. Let's move on to Quadrant S, Self-employed. Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Being your own boss can be tempting, but is it really the best option for everyone? Self-employed individuals are those who own their own business or are independent workers. While they have more control over their time and decisions, they often find themselves trapped working in their business rather than for their business. Being self-employed can offer more freedom and control than being an employee, but it also comes with greater responsibilities and risks. Many self-employed individuals find themselves working long hours and struggling to separate their personal and professional time. Do you feel fulfilled as a self-employed individual, or are you looking for ways to grow your business and free up more time and resources? Imagine Anna, a freelance graphic designer who loves her work but feels overwhelmed by the demands of running her own business. Although she enjoys creative freedom, she longs for more time for herself and her family. If you're in Quadrant S and seeking more freedom and success, consider focusing on working on your business rather than in your business. Delegate tasks, automate processes, and look for opportunities to scale and grow. Now, let's move on to Quadrant B, Business Owner. Have you ever dreamed of owning a thriving and successful business? This quadrant offers the opportunity to achieve true financial freedom, but at what cost? Business owners are those who own and operate successful businesses. They have the potential to generate significant income and create assets that work for them rather than working for money. Being the owner of a successful business can provide great freedom and income potential, but it also comes with greater risks and responsibilities. Many business owners face the challenge of maintaining profitability and long-term sustainability. Are you ready to take on the challenge of owning your own business and achieving true financial freedom? Imagine Jose, a visionary entrepreneur who founded his own technology company. Through years of hard work and perseverance, he transformed his small startup into a multi-billion-dollar corporation. If you dream of owning your own business, do your research, craft a solid plan, and be prepared to work harder than you ever imagined. Financial freedom is worth the effort, so go after it with determination and passion. And finally, we come to Quadrant I, Investor. Have you ever wanted your money to work for you instead of you working for it? This quadrant offers the opportunity to create true wealth and financial freedom, but how can you get started? Investors are those who put their money to work for them, whether by investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, or other assets that generate passive income. Being a successful investor requires knowledge, patience, and discipline. Through smart and strategic investing, you can build a diversified portfolio that generates passive income and long-term growth. Are you ready to take the step towards investing and start building your path to financial freedom? Imagine Laura, a young professional who starts investing in the stock market. Through careful research and guidance from experts, she builds a solid portfolio that provides her with passive income and financial security. If you want to become a successful investor, educate yourself, start with small steps, and look for opportunities to diversify your investments. Remember, the key to investment success is patience and consistency over time. Remember, mastering your finances is a skill that can be learned and developed over time. Don't be afraid to seek knowledge and take action to reach your financial dreams. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance and personal development. And don't miss our next video, where we'll continue exploring together the exciting world of finance.